Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. In this video we will explore how to change your password, how to enable two-factor authentication, and finally, how to enable login notifications, and we will explain why these features are crucial to protect your personal and business information. To access your security settings, click on the little person icon at the top right of the screen to display the Personal Profile menu. Click on the Security option to access your security settings. Customers can click on the Change Password button to change their password. Later in this video we will explain how to reset your password if you have forgotten your password and cannot access the app. Any app that processes sensitive personal or business information should have two-factor authentication, and software providers should insist that you use it. Two-factor authentication requires you to provide an email address and telephone number as a means of verifying that it is actually you that is trying to access the app. Each time you try to log in, our system will send a unique code to your phone or email address, and you will be required to enter the code each time you log into our app. In addition to your email and password, this method would require anyone trying to access your account to also have access to your phone or email. Setting up two-factor authentication is easy. Just enter your phone and email and click on the Verify button. Our app will prompt you to enter the code that was sent, and you will have authenticated these methods of logging in. For convenience, we have the facility to temporarily disable two-factor authentication. We have also added another security feature where you can be notified if anyone attempts to access your account. Finally, in the event that you have forgotten your password or if you are struggling to access the system, you can reset your password from the main login screen. Simply click on the Forgot Password link and follow the process. Our app will send a link to your email address with a link to enable you to reset your password. I hope that this video tutorial has answered any questions you may have had about how you can control access to your account. Thank you for watching.